Do you ever feel scared when you want to speak English? Maybe you know the words in your head, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out? Or maybe wrong words come out. Don't worry. You are not alone. Today, I want to share something special with you. Something that changed my English forever. Hello, my English learning friends. Welcome back to English Freedom. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. We're going to learn how to become fluent in English. But wait, fluency is not what you think it is. By the end of this video, you will understand what fluency really means. You will learn 5 simple steps to practice English every day. And you will feel more confident about your English journey. Are you ready? Let's start. What is fluency? The truth. Many students think fluency means speaking very, very fast. They think fluency means never making mistakes. But this is wrong. Let me tell you something important. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about clear communication. What does this mean? It means people can understand you. It means you can express your ideas. It means you feel confident when you speak. I remember my first English teacher. She always said, "Speak slowly and clearly. Fast words with mistakes are not good. Slow words with meaning are perfect." So remember this. Clear is better than fast. Understanding is better than speed. Step 1. Practice every single day. Learning English is like growing a tree. You cannot plant a seed today and have a big tree tomorrow. Trees need water every day. They need sunlight every day. They need care every day. Your English is the same. You need to practice every day, even if it's just 5 minutes, even if it's just one new word. Every day is important. But how can you practice every day? Here are some easy ideas. Morning practice. Wake up and say good morning to yourself in English. Think about your day in English. Today I will go to work. Today I will eat lunch with my friend. Listen to one English song while you get ready. During the day, change your phone to English. Read one paragraph in English during lunch. Count things in English. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Evening practice. Write 3 sentences about your day in English. Watch a short English video before sleep. Say good night to yourself in English. Can you try one of these ideas tomorrow? Which one sounds easy for you? Step 2. Listen first, speak second. Many students want to speak immediately. They forget about listening. But listening is the foundation of speaking. Think about babies. Before babies speak, they listen for many, many months. They listen to their parents. They listen to sounds. They listen to words. Then slowly they start to speak. You should do the same thing. Listen to English every day. Listen to different types of English. Easy listening ideas. English songs with simple words. Children's stories in English. YouTube videos for English learners. English podcasts for beginners. English movies with subtitles. When you listen, don't worry about understanding everything. Focus on the sounds. Focus on the rhythm. Focus on how English feels. After listening, try to repeat some words. Try to copy the sounds. This is how your brain learns English pronunciation. Let me ask you, what do you like to listen to? Music? Stories? Choose something you enjoy. Learning should be fun, not boring. Step 3. Make friends with your mistakes. Here's something important. Mistakes are not your enemies. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every mistake makes you stronger. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency. I want to tell you a story. When I was learning English, I was very scared of mistakes. One day, I was in a restaurant. I wanted to ask for water, but I said, "I want to drink your hair," instead of, "I want to drink water." The waiter looked confused. I felt embarrassed. But you know what? I never forgot the word water after that day. My mistake became my teacher. So, when you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Don't give up. Learn from it. Try again. Celebrate that you tried. Remember, people who never make mistakes are people who never try. You are trying, so you are already winning. Practice time. Can you think of a funny mistake you made in English?
Don't be shy.
Mistakes make good stories. Step 4. Talk about things you love. This is a secret that many English teachers don't tell you. It's easier to speak about things you love.
Why?
Because you already know these topics in your own language. You have vocabulary. You have opinions. You have feelings. So, start with your interests. Do you love cooking? Talk about your favorite recipes in English. Do you love sports? Describe your favorite team in English. Do you love movies? Tell someone about a good movie in English. Do you love your family? Talk about your family members in English. When you talk about things you love, you forget to be scared. You focus on sharing, not on making mistakes. Your turn. What do you love?
Think about it right now.
How can you talk about this topic in English? Step 5. Set small, happy goals. Big goals are scary. Small goals are friendly. Don't say, "I want to be fluent in 6 months." This goal is too big and too scary. Instead, say, "This week, I will learn 5 new words." This goal is small and achievable. Here are some good small goals. Learn 1 new word every day for a week. Watch 1 short English video every day. Write 1 sentence about your day in English. Have 1 small conversation in English this week. Listen to 1 English song and understand the main idea. When you achieve a small goal, celebrate. Say "good job" to yourself. Feel proud. Then choose your next small goal. Small goals create big results. Trust the process. Question for you: what small goal will you choose for this week? Remember, make it easy and fun. Now let's practice together. I'm going to give you some sentences, and I want you to repeat them with me. Ready? I practice English every day. Good. Again. I practice English every day.
Perfect.
Now this one. Mistakes help me learn. Again. Mistakes help me learn. Excellent. One more. I am getting better every day.
Again.
I am getting better every day. Wonderful. How do you feel? Do these sentences feel true for you? Now, I want you to try something. Pause this video for 1 minute. Think about your English goals. Then, say 1 sentence about your goals out loud. Don't worry if it's not perfect.
Just try.
Go ahead. Pause the video now. I'll wait for you. Welcome back. How did that feel? Was it scary? Was it exciting? Both feelings are normal and good. Let me remind you of our 5 important steps. Step 1. Practice every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Your English is like a growing tree that needs daily care. Step 2. Listen first, speak second. Fill your ears with English sounds before you worry about speaking. Step 3. Make friends with your mistakes. They are your best teachers, not your enemies. Step 4. Talk about things you love. It's easier to speak when you care about the topic. Step 5. Set small, happy goals. Small steps create big journeys. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast or never making mistakes. Fluency is about clear communication and confidence. Your English journey is unique. Your speed is perfect. Your progress is real, even when you can't see it.
Some days will be easy.
Some days will be hard. This is normal.
Keep going anyway.
Think of yourself as an English gardener. You plant seeds of practice every day. You water them with listening and speaking. You give them sunlight with positive thinking. Your English garden will grow. Maybe slowly, but definitely surely. You know what? I'm really proud of you for watching this video until the end. This shows that you are serious about improving your English. This shows that you don't give up easily. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about opening doors to new friendships, new opportunities, and new versions of yourself. Every English word you learn is a key. Every English sentence you speak is a step forward. Every English mistake you make is a lesson learned. So, keep going, my friend. Your future English-speaking self is cheering for you right now. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, I want you to write one sentence in English. It can be about your English goals, or about something you love, or about how this video made you feel. Don't worry about making mistakes. Remember, mistakes are your teachers. Just write from your heart. I read every single comment, and I love hearing from you. Your words encourage me to make more videos like this. Also, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. This helps other English learners find our videos too. And if you want more English learning videos, make sure to subscribe to English Freedom and ring that bell. We post new videos every week to help you on your English journey. Before you go, I want to recommend another video for you. If you enjoyed learning about fluency today, you might like our video about 10 easy English phrases for daily conversation. You can find the link in the description below. Remember, you are not alone in your English journey. We are here with you, step by step. Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep speaking English with confidence. This is English Freedom, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and remember, your English is getting better every single day.